हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम इस वीडियो में विल सी हाउ हमारे GeoToR से निकला हुआ जो रिजल्ट है दैट वी अप्लाई ऑन टू स्ट्रिंग एंड हाउ टू सेंड इट ओवर टू साइटोस्केप एंड कैसे उसके अंदर हम लोग अपनी सिग्निफिकेंस लेवल log fibc वैल्यू ऐड करते हैं सो दैट वी कैन हैव colored colored string nodes based on the log to fc. Okay, so सबसे पहले the thing that we are starting here with is कि ये रहा हमारा रिजल्ट. वी हैव आर ID, our registered p value, t value, b value, log to fc value, gene name and gene title, complete name, symbol and title. So इसमें से पहले तो हम ये मतलब अपने काम की डेटा इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन सॉर्ट इट. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने कर रखा है, यू हैव adjusted p value, log fc and gene symbol, that's what I'm focusing on. So अगर मैं ये करूँ कंट्रोल तो ठीक है, आई सी देयर आर 43,377 genes right here. ठीक है, I don't need that much, that is the whole data. And if you see here we have ZBS, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort it from smallest to largest. Okay, and now in this column itself I'm going to search for 0.05 value. Found it here. But अगर हम मैं यहाँ पे भी देखूँ तो it is at 3,405, right? So I still have 3,000 significant genes, but I don't need 3,000 DGs. इतने सारे नहीं होते हमारे, and उनकी log fc values भी बहुत weird, like somewhere around 0 and -1. So we need to sort that out as well. So what I like to do is to have to make a separate copy of the sheet, and then what I usually do is कि here I've actually already sorted it out, so that's why I'll be just showing you guys here. So what I do is that this control F, wait, I find my 0.05 value. I know मुझे इसके नीचे का कोई काम नहीं है, and since I already have a copy for the data, I'll just go back, delete this all data जो इसके नीचे है. So now all I have left with is कि only significant gene, which is still 3,000. Okay, so next what I'll do is, next thing that now that I've got p value out of my way, I need to sort log to fc value under largest to smallest to observe कि मेरा डेटा कैसा है. Here I see इसकी 3 के अंदर के ऊपर मेरे पास सिर्फ इतने हैं, and 2 के ऊपर I have around 31. Okay, बट इसी की नेगेटिव साइड में भी थोड़ा देख लेते हैं कि नेगेटिव वे में कहाँ क्या जा रहा है. ठीक है, इफ आई गो दिस आई सी कि 3 के ऊपर तो सिर्फ 2 ही है, बट 2 के ऊपर भी सिर्फ 4 ही है. सो आई गेस आई कैन पुट +2 and -2 log fc, like absolute 2 value, as my log fc threshold. Okay, so on doing that अब मुझे यहाँ पे सिर्फ सिंपल सी चीज़ करनी है. यहाँ से +2 के ऊपर वाली जितनी वैल्यूज़ है I'll copy that. Okay, and similarly I'll open a new sheet. Okay, paste it there. This I've already done it, so I'll not be doing it again, I'm just letting you know. ठीक है, लेकिन अब हमें क्या करना है, now that I have got this out of my way. Okay, now that I have this out of my way, I have a list where I have only the ones with p value above, मतलब p value less than 0.05 and log fc value either above 2. See here, I have above 2 and I have the one which is below -2. So I have the two extreme ends of the bow. I have my negative value and positive value with the threshold line of +2 and -2. Okay, absolute value. So I'll just do one thing. I'll copy the list here. I'll copy the gene name list here. Okay, I have it. I'll go onto the string multiple proteins and I'll just paste the list here, and then I'll go search. Choose your organism accordingly. If you have a musculus, like a mouse, choose according to that. You can check how many of these are being mapped and what is it being mapped to. If you want your gene name by certain gene name, you meant not this but the other one, you can choose that. Since I'm just observing it, so I'll just go ahead with it. Continue, and this is the like network it gave me. I'll go to its analysis. I'll see, okay, it has 9 edges. That means 9 uh, protein-protein interaction within it. As you know, each interaction line color means a different thing. And then I can see that most of these proteins are found in prostate gland and they are associated with the word acetylation. Um, which okay, so now next thing that I know is I have to export it into my cytoscape for further analysis or further visualization or better visualization. So I'll have cytoscape open in my background. I can in fact straight up send this network to my cytoscape. It's communicating with it, searching the string gap, sending the network, and here we have nothing now. Now we have something. And yeah, right here. You see, now this is here. Okay. Uh, there's another way of doing so. So as you see कि यहाँ पे तो हमारा network आ गया है and as long this will happen as long as you have the string app in it. If you don't, go download it and you look here, if you have a protein query specifically, you can do from here. If you want to search for a particular disease, just type the disease name and it'll provide you with a network or group of proteins related to it. और you can do this कि जो list आपने अपने string में डाली थी वो आप straight up यहाँ पे भी add कर सकते हैं. I'm removing the space even though इससे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं, but I'm still removing it because I don't like haphazard stuff. So yeah. Yeah, right here, and I'll copy it all again just for an ease. And then just a second, I need to verify something. Yep, इसका name ही इतना बड़ा है. Okay, great. So now then here's the list. Okay, and then I'll go send network. It made me another network of the same 22 protein. What else making? Yeah, it doesn't matter if you send it over from your cytoscape, from a string, or you make it here. It's same. Okay, so for an easy explanation, I'll remove one of the collection that I exported from there, and yeah, here I have the string. Okay, you can see these are the ones that were not part of the network. These are the ones that are part of the network. Okay, so now the most important thing that we need to do, we need to upload, as you see, node table right here. Yeah, see this? This is the node table. It tells you what is the shared name, your display name, your other stuff, identifiers, in which compartment it is found, with tissue. That's all the uh, information it provides you about each node. Okay, so हमें इसी node table में add करना है हमारी key values, which is p value, log to fc value and gene symbol के through हम map करेंगे इसे. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Before doing that, we need to make sure कि हमारा जो ये data set हो of only the significant proteins जिनके through आपने अपना network बनाया है, that you have it. Remove any extra information, make sure you have saved it. As you see, I have this here. Okay, next, and what I need to do is I'll keep it aside also for a minute as well so that we can visualize it. Say, yeah, you see this icon, this import table from file. You click on this, we'll locate where our file is. Okay, so yeah, it hangs a bit, it's all right. Finally it's loaded. Yeah, I need to look at not all. I have mine saved as an Excel, so I'll look only for the Excel. And here I am. Here I have GeoTour result. Okay, see, you located a file here and just open it and it shows you something like this. Now, a few things that you need to make sure. If, as you saw earlier, if you had more than one network open at the same time, you need to make sure you're selecting the right, like where to select, where to import your table, वो चीज़ आपकी सही selected है, and make sure कि जो आपका import data है वो सही जगह पर है. If you do it at edge network table, you won't be doing it right, since तुम्हारा जो gene name है वो हमारा node table के अंदर आता है. Okay. सो मेक श्योर कि नोट टेबल कॉलम सेलेक्टेड है, एंड मेक श्योर कि जो आपने यहाँ पे अपना सिंबल चूज़ कर रहे हैं, दिस कीवर्ड फ्रॉम योर नेटवर्क, इट हैज़ द सेम नेम वैल्यू जो आपकी यहाँ पे है. यानी कि मेरे जीन सिंबल जो यहाँ पे है, जिनसे थ्रू मैं मैप करूँगी, दैट इज़ हियर, बट ये वैल्यूज़ मेरे नोट टेबल के अंदर शेड नेम के अंदर नहीं थी. इंस्टेड दिस वाज अंदर डिस्प्ले नेम, सो आई नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट सेम. उसके अलावा एज यू सी दिस सिंबल्स यू कैन ऑलवेज एडजस्ट कि डू आई वांट इट टू बी इम्पोर्टेड, डू आई नॉट वांट इट टू बी इम्पोर्टेड. Okay, this is, I want it to be imported as an attribute, I don't want it, and this is the key, like this is the key, I'm going to be mapped through it. So वो मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे इसे एज एन एट्रीब्यूट रखना है. जीन सिंबल इज द थिंग जिसको मुझे एज अ की रखना है. सो हेयर आई एम कीपिंग इट एज अ की. एंड मैं एक चीज़ आपने ध्यान दी होगी, यहाँ पे की का सिंबल हाईलाइट नहीं हो रहा, बिकॉज यू कैन ओनली चूज वन की एट अ टाइम. अगर मैं इसे एट्रीब्यूट कर दूँ देन yeah, okay, these are all values, then I can have my this open, but it's a numeric value. I'll change the data type back to numeric, use the key symbol here, and I have it. Okay. Then yeah, one thing that you need to make very sure of is that कि जो jeans symbol जिस case में आपका यहाँ पे है, वो ही same चीज़ आपके uploaded result में भी होना चाहिए. Okay. Whatever is in your table, node table, same should be used here. तो चलो हम इसे ओके करते हैं. And as you see here, you see adjusted p value आ गई है, log fc value आ गई है. I had only two columns जो मैंने import किए थे, this and this, based on my gene symbol. तो वो दो कॉलम हमारे पास इधर आ गए हैं based on my gene symbol which is under the display name section. Okay, great. एंड अगर आप देखो, अगर मैंने शेड नेम पर रहने दिया होता तो वो नहीं कर पाता, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ई एन एस पी के फॉर्म में वैल्यू है, बट मेरा जीन जो मैंने की मैपिंग की थी दैट इज इन दिस फॉर्म. सो इफ़ यू हैव सम अदर आइडेंटिफायर हियर, मेक श्योर वो अदर आइडेंटिफायर इधर आपका सिलेक्टेड हो. ओके. नेक्स्ट आई कंटिन्यू दिस, जिसके अंदर मैं उसमें कलर्ड वो भी दिखा रही हूँ. इन इट विल बी अ सिंगल लॉन्ग वीडियो, बट एक कॉम्प्रहेंसिव वीडियो ज़्यादा बेटर है. So now I have log2fc column with my log2fc value. Now I need to style my nodes. Okay, I'll minimize it for a while. Then I need to style my nodes. Okay, what I need to do, I need to change the fill color. Here I want, see, the center one is for mapping. Okay, so I'll choose the mapping point here. It gave me this column. If I choose this, it'll give me something, and it'll give me the color variation to choose from here. So I'll go back to mapping. अब मुझे पता है कि मुझे कॉलम मैप करने हैं not by the name but by the display name. Oh sorry, my bad. But by the log2fc value. Okay, where's my log2fc value? Adjusted p. Yeah. ओके, नाउ इट्स ऑन डिस्क्रीट. डिस्क्रीट मतलब सबकी अपनी अपनी वैल्यू. अब मुझे या तो मैं सबको इंडिविजुअल कलर देने बैठूँ, विच आई डू नॉट वांट. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई मेक इट कॉन्टिन्यूस एंड देन आई डबल क्लिक इट. ओके, व्हाट इट इज सेइंग इज कि मेरी मैक्सिमम इस कलर, इस वैल्यू की log2fc को ये कलर मिलेगा, इतने log2fc को ये कलर मिलेगा. सो पहले तो मैं अपना मिनिमम मैक्सिमम सेट कर लेती हूँ. आई नो कि मेरी टेबल का मैक्सिमम जा रहा है 3.85 and minimum जा रहा है -3.55. okay, so I'll choose my minimum maximum value above that. you see कि यहाँ पे हमने हमारा maximum भी 3.55 है, तो हमारी जो 3.8 वाली थी उसको कोई कलर नहीं मिलेगा, which is wrong because वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू है. तो हम for being on the safe side जो भी nearest largest वैल्यू होती है उसे ले लेते हैं. एंड सेम यहाँ पे फिर मैं मिनिमम वैल्यू में I'll keep -3.6 माइक्रो, बिकॉज हमें ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं जाना, वरना हमारी लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू को लीस्ट कलर मिलेगा. ओके, Yeah, 3.6 seems fine. Okay, and I'll set it. So now I have minimum maximum value set. अब I'll go here, add one more. ठीक है. So now I can set कि मुझे किस, as you can see background में थोड़ा थोड़ा color variation change होता हुआ दिखते रहेगा. Okay, it won't allow me to move it, but तुमने देखा होगा ये थोड़ा change हो गया. So what I'm doing is कि मेरी value of this thing minus 1. Okay, and इसकी value भी I'll keep at plus 1. ओके. सो नाउ मेरी 1 के ऊपर की जितनी वैल्यूज है वो सारी रेड होंगी इन द ऑर्डर, लाइक जो 1 के नियरेस्ट है वो थोड़ी फेडेड होंगी एंड अबव वाली पास में होंगी. एंड सिमिलरली हियर, एज यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो कि हमने यहाँ पे सिर्फ डीजीज निकाले हैं विद अ कट ऑफ ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट टू वैल्यूज, तो इसीलिए हमें ये वाइट एरिया दिखने को नहीं मिलेगा. बट अगर हम सारी जीन्स निकालते देन हम ऐसे वैल्यू पुट करते तो हमें वाइट रेड सब अलग अलग दिखते. ओके. So next I'll go okay, and I'll side it, and you can see कि हमारे पास थोड़े blues है, थोड़े reds है, थोड़े light reds है. Okay, so the most red ये है हमारा, है ना. That's how you do it. That's all you have to do it. In fact, most red हमारा किधर है था, एक मिनट, I'll show you. You can even rearrange it in your order, right? So हमने यहाँ पे देखा most red हमारा कौन सी value है, the top one right now, which is UBA52. So let's search for UBA52 हमारे string में, हमारे network में. You find the most red one is UBA52, right? And the most blue हमें कौन सा दिख रहा है? Here, this and this, DDIT4 and CYP A1. So we'll go back to our node table. Oops, just a second, guys. Yeah, right here, node table. And I'll see which one has the minimum. These two are the -3 minimum. What are their names? We'll go here to look for the name. ये दोनों थे second and third and fourth value is DDIT4 and CYP18. So as you see, we have it, right? Great.